Hi Diva lovers, and welcome back to the Queen of the Craft Room. It's the weekend for Christmas, huh? So we're gonna decorate. We're gonna do a walkthrough through my Christmas, huh? But first we have about 4 to 5, don't count me on that, DIY to do before we go and decorate. And my Diva lovers, I want to thank you so much. I mean, I've been messing up with my editing and you guys still supporting me. So I want to thank you guys from the bottom of my heart. Truly. You guys really a queen of the craft room. Huh? Okay? With all of that said, let's go DIY. Okay? Now we're going to need, as you can see over there, we're going to need some candles. And I have 6 candles. I got that set from the thrift store. I was surprised. It comes with the battery and everything. It was oh Lord, I don't remember the price, but I know I got it on a Wacky Wednesday because I always I'm sorry, that's my husband calling me. I always get my stuff from Wacky Wednesday. Yeah, so I know I got it for half price. Huh? And I mean, as I said, I get it with a battery. I got it. It came with a battery and everything. I was surprised. It's a glow wick candle. Okay, so we're gonna need 6 of that. Now I got these at the Dollar Tree. These are pillowcase. So we're gonna do some pillowcase as well. Let me go down here a little bit. Sorry. We're gonna do some pillowcase as well, and I have 4. I got these from a website. Is a Santa, I throw away the paper. It says Santa cutlery holder. Am I saying it right? Yeah. And I bought me a pack of pencils from the Dollar Tree. I'm gonna make my table mat. Yeah, I got these from, this is so stinking pretty. I got this from Hobby Lobby. Yeah, when I saw it, I said, oh my God, Christmas is coming. I am gonna find something to do with this. Okay, so yeah, and I got me some chopping mats. Some chopping mats here. I got the plain white and the red because I'm gonna fasten them, but you will see as I go along. So that's that. Then I got me these. Now these I have a long time. These are napkin holder. These are so stinking cute. These are napkin holder. I have a long, I wouldn't say a long time, like probably last year. I got me some, what do you call this now? Tissue paper. And I bought these napkin paper, not tissue paper, napkin paper. I bought these when they just start bringing out their Christmas stuff. So that's that. Then I'm going to, I was trying to do a bowl, and I saw a fish bowl at the Dollar Tree, at the thrift store, and I said, this can make my shadow box Yeah, it's a fish bowl. I'm gonna use it for my shutter box for my Christmas. Yes, ma'am. Sirs. Yeah, I'm gonna do that. Okay, so we're gonna put it aside for now. And I got me some. Did I say it was about five? About 4 or 5 DIY? But they're really simple. The hardest one, I believe, the hardest one, believe it or not, is a table mat. Because I don't know how I'm gonna glue them together, but I'm gonna glue them together. And I got some Christmas ornaments. I'm gonna color them in white, I believe. Or probably they're staying red. But let's see about that. Okay, so for the first one, as I said, we're gonna get a white and a red. And what I want to do is to probably center it. No, probably. I'm gonna center it. Yeah, I'm gonna center it. Or I can just cut the sides, because my table is just for decoration. I don't eat on my table. It's just for decoration. Let me tell you from now. Okay? It's just me and my husband, and when my grandchildren them come over, that's it. We don't eat on tables. I mean, apart if we have company over. Apart if we have company over. Okay, so what I'm gonna do is just cut to the edge of the mat. Just like that. And cut the edge right here. And voila, we have a table mat. Yeah. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna do the rest off camera, and then we're gonna move on. I believe I'm gonna glue. Yeah, I'm gonna glue the back and the front. I'm gonna use. Oh no, I'm not gonna use crazy glue. Because crazy glue I'm gonna use my Elmer's glue if I can find it. It's somewhere here. But as I said, I'm gonna do the rest off camera, and then we'll move on to the next stop.